Good morning, all. Today, I'm going to discuss about what is the strategy followed by the companies to target the market. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about what is the seven important strategies. Right? Of course, you know how our companies have divided the market. So, from the previous class, from the previous sessions, you learned about how market is divided into a different segment. What are the different bases a companies follow to divide? After dividing, right, a company has to ensure that, right, are we going to target the right customer? Are we going to target the right customer? And second, another important thing is after targeting, right? And how, on what basis we are going to position the product in the customer's mind? Maybe by highlighting its feature, or by highlighting its quality, or benefits, or value, or brand name, or how it's going to use it for the customers. So there are many things are there. So if you take what are the seven important strategies the companies can follow to position the products in minds of the customers in the respective target market. The first important strategy is product attributes and benefits. And the second one is price and quality. Third one is use and application. And fourth one is product class. It's all depend upon the category. Product user type, competitors, cultural symbol. These are the seven important strategies companies can follow, right, to position the product in minds of the customers. So in this video, we will be learning one by one. So the first important strategy a companies followed is product attributes and benefits. So what do you mean by that attributes and benefits? There are, for example, if you take, there are many FMCG products are available, right? You have a different soap, you have different paste, you have different shampoo packets or shampoo or a gel, but according to the user, all right, so I need a product which gives this benefits. I want to use a product where I need to use it for a many years. I need the durability, long lasting. Sir, I want a bike, but it should be a stylish bike, right? I don't want, right, whether it should be there for more than 5 years or 10 years, all these things. But I need a bike which looks stylish, right? Maybe I need this bike for 1 or 2 years and I can change later once new models comes. So it's all based on that. So here, the first important strategy the companies will follow is by highlighting the attributes and the benefits of the products. So our company's products, right, gives these benefits to you. Right. So other company's product will give benefits in this way. So our company's products, right, it's long lasting. So our company product is maximum 1 or 2 years, but you have more features in that. So like that, highlighting a certain things, right? That is called as a product attributes and benefits. This is one of the strategies followed by the companies to position the products in minds of the customers. The second one is quality and the price. Of course, right? Whenever we want to purchase a product, we will look into two important aspects. One is whether the product is quality. At the same time, whether the product is affordable for us to pay and get it. For example, if you take all the electronic devices, mobile phones, there are mobile phones, right, available for a cheap rate, but quality is not assurance. But if you want to get a quality product, there are some mobile phones with a huge price, some mobile phone with affordable price. Right? Both the brands, both the mobile phones are quality. But when you come to the price, right, if you take Apple mobile phone, Samsung mobile phone, all are mobile phones. But when you come to a quality, right, Apple is better than Samsung. Right. So when you're purchasing an Apple mobile phone, since it's a quality, definitely prices will be high. But same quality level, the second level, right? After Apple, if you want to suggest mobile phone to buy, you'll buy Samsung. Right? It is also quality, but price is affordable. So highlighting these two important aspects and making the customers to remember their products, right? And they're able to make them to purchase it. That is the second important strategy. Third one is how you are going to use it. Are you a regular user or occasional user? or you'll be using in a heavy manner, or only normal way, or very you're a low user, right? So here, for example, see, if you take a Vicks and all these tablets or all these drugs and other uh, take syrups, right? We are not consuming it on a regular basis because in this particular period, in this particular situations, right? If I have to use this, I have to buy this, right? Getting a cloth like during a summer time, right? And during a winter time, during a rainy seasons, we want to get that and we want to use it. So this is the usage and application strategy. So whenever customers, right, started thinking about, so now a winter season is going to come, summer season is going to come. Now what we need is immediately they'll start recognizing your brand. So in this brand, right, the cloth, the apparels, other the materials will be good. And during winter's time, right, this cloth will give it will be warm for our body. So better we can purchase the particular things from the respective brand. So it's highlighting the usage and applications and making the customers to buy a product. And the third way of positioning the customers products in the customer's mind is different upon the product category, right? So you may have a different product, but the usage of the according to the usage, according to the need, only you'll purchase it, right? For example, if you take a shampoo, right? The shampoos are available in a 1 rupee sachet packet, right? And 2 rupees sachet, right? And then 100 grams in a bottle, or 150 gram in a bottle, or 200 gram in a bottle. It's all depend upon the users. If you are a frequent users, right, sir, once in a 2 days, once in a 3 days, right, I'll be using a shampoo for my bathing my hair, right? No, so once in a week. So accordingly, people will start purchasing, right? So which has a product of similar class according to your product category. There are different categories are available. Different type of transports are available. You have a ordinary uh, bus services is there. You have a deluxe. You have a semi sleeper. You have a AC sleeper. You have a non-AC semi sleeper. You have a sleeper coach like that. So it's all depend upon the class of the product, right? It's depend upon the category of the customers. And the fifth one is user, right? What type of a user you are, right? If you take soap, best example is soap, right? Or you have different varieties of soap, but it is targeting on the user type. So if you are a male, right, you can use all these products. If you are a female, you can use all this product. In female itself, if you are a working woman, if you are traveling outside, you can use this type of soaps, this type of body creams or face cream. This is a product user. It's also depend upon the class or type of the user. Maybe you may be a old age person, or you may be a male, female, you may be a working, you may be a non-working, you have kids. According to that, you will be using a product. And the sixth important strategy is highlighting the competitors. So our product is better than our competitors. They'll be highlighting, they'll be showing the advertisement like competitor, like showing, they'll hide the competitor's name and they'll show that the other product gives this, but our product is going to give this kind of a benefits. So our product is better than the other brand. So like that, they can able to give you the information about the product and makes the customers to purchase. So this is another important strategy for positioning the product minds in the customers. And the seventh important strategy, the last important strategy is the cultural symbol. Cultural symbol in the sense is it's talking about the mark, the symbol, the logo, or some identification, right? So if you go to a showroom, so if you go to a shop, right, there are some people they can't able to tell the product name, but they can able to identify the product based on the logo, based on the symbol, or based on the package, based on the color. So through that also they can able to make the customers to remember the product mind the customer's mind. So here if you see Air India. So Air India by seeing this logo, they can able to make the customers to feel that our airline service will be like treating you as a king, as a royal king, right? If you will feel have the you'll have the comfortableness when you're traveling in our airplane. So like this, companies will highlight their symbols. Symbols in the senses can be a logo, it can be a, some sign, it can be a, some mark, maybe a trademark, it can be a, some captions, it can be a, some other way, right? Where the customers will not forget them, right? So these are the seven strategies, right? The companies will follow to position the product in the customer's minds according to the market which they target. Right. I hope this video is helpful for you and you have learned about the seven important strategies how the companies will follow and adapt to make the customers in the minds of the customer. Right. So in this with this we'll end this video and we'll discuss about the other concepts in the marketing in the next video. Thank you.